not just an SUV. This is a $500,000 statement of intent. It's called the Cullinan Series II, and Rolls-Royce says they've updated it for a new generation of owners. You know what that means. It's louder, it's got more screens, and the grille now glows so bright you can probably see it from space. But here's the real question. Does a 6,000-pound V12 tank still make sense in 2026? Or is the Cullinan finally showing its age against the new wave of ultra-luxury EVs? Today on Future Wheel Reviews, we're going beyond the leather and the labels to find out if this is the ultimate way to spend $500,000 or if you're just paying for the most expensive umbrella in the world. Let's dive in. First things first, the face. If you think it looks different, you're right. Rolls-Royce took inspiration from illuminated skyscrapers. These new vertical daytime running lights, or DRLs, give it a much more aggressive, towering look. For the first time ever on a Cullinan, the grille is illuminated. It's a bit flashy, sure, but in the dark, it looks incredible. And notice the bumper lines? They form a V shape like the bow of a luxury yacht. The change? They've also added these massive 23-inch wheels. Now, usually bigger wheels mean a worse ride, but this is a Rolls-Royce. It still has the magic carpet ride air suspension that scans the road ahead. It doesn't drive over bumps, it deletes them. But let's be real, parking this thing in a city is like trying to dock a cruise ship in a bathtub. It's huge, it's imposing, and it definitely doesn't fit in a standard garage. Step inside and you'll realize why people pay $500K for these. The craftsmanship is, honestly, it's bordering on insane. These seats, they're made from a new bamboo-based fabric called Duality Twill. It has 2.2 million stitches and 11 miles of thread. One person spends days just making sure the holes in the leather look like shifting clouds. It's that level of obsession that separates Rolls from everyone else. The tech update. The 2026 model finally gets the Spirit digital interface from the electric Spectre. The entire dashboard is now behind a single piece of glass. But look at this, the clock cabinet. There is a tiny uplit Spirit of Ecstasy figurine sitting right inside the dashboard next to the analog clock. It serves zero purpose other than looking cool, and I love it for that. It's a perfect mix of old world class and new world tech. If you're lucky enough to be sitting in the back, this is the best office on earth. The rear seats recline, they massage, and they have their own independent streaming screens. You can pair any Bluetooth headphones now, which sounds basic, but for Rolls-Royce, that's a big leap into the modern world. And then there's the viewing suite. 2 leather seats and a cocktail table that slide out of the trunk. Is it practical? No. You'll probably use it once a year at a polo match or a high-end tailgating. But it's the ultimate flex. It tells the world that your car isn't just for driving, it's for existing in. Under the hood, thank God, is still the 6.75-liter twin-turbo V12. No hybrid, no 4-cylinder eco mode, just 563 horsepower of pure, effortless thrust. It doesn't roar like a Lamborghini Urus, it hums. It's so quiet that Rolls-Royce actually had to add some sound back in so you knew the engine was on. It does 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds, which is fast for something this heavy, but speed isn't the point. The point is the torque. It feels like being pushed by an invisible, very expensive hand. The 2026 Cullinan Series II is peak luxury. It's a car that refuses to apologize for being big, heavy, and expensive. It's not a sensible purchase, but if you've reached the level where you're buying a Rolls-Royce, you've probably finished with sensible. If you want the most presence on the road and the best materials ever put in an SUV, this is the king, period. But I want to hear from you. Is the new illuminated look too flashy, or is it exactly what a Rolls-Royce should be? And would you take this over a Bentley Bentayga and a house? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If you enjoyed this look at how the 1% travels, hit that like button and subscribe to Future Wheel Reviews. We've got a deep dive on the new Bentley Flying Spur coming up next, and you don't want to miss it. The S450D is a masterclass in comfort.